What's going on guys, my name is Ben and welcome back to another video. This is just a very short video giving you an update on my Z4 as well as trying out my new piece of equipment. You may notice this footage is very smooth as I'm walking. That is because I'm using my new Zion Crane 2. It's a one-handed, it's got one arm basically, it's a gimbal stabilizer, so all the footage will be nice and smooth for you guys. Behind me is my BMW Z4 under its cover. I'll be giving you guys a little update on the changes to the car as well as showing you the damage that someone has caused by hitting the front wing. But first I need to take the cover off and give you guys a cold start. So the first things I'm going to show you are what I have done to the car. The car is now completely blacked out, and what I have done is, as you can see, I've added the gloss black kidney grills. They were silver before. The front lights have been tinted along with the side indicators. The previous silver mirrors have gone gloss black. All the windows have been tinted. Front one slightly lighter, back one limo tint. Moving around to the back, once again the lights have been tinted. Just going for a fully murdered out look on this car, completely black. Previously the wheels were also quite badly curbed from the previous owner. I have taken each one off, sanded them all down and refurbed them all myself. Quite pleased with that. Saved a good couple of £100 doing it myself, and I think they look absolutely brilliant, to be fair, much better than they were. Another thing I've also blacked out, which I always forget when the roof's up, so allow me to just put the roof down for you now. That never gets old. It's absolutely fantastic, this system. Let's just watch it for a second. There we go. Now that the roof's down, you can see these roll hoops are also gloss black. They were silver before. This is something I've actually wanted to do on my previous Z4, my E85, but never got around to it. But they just make such a difference. And I love that when the roof is up, the car is fully murdered out. Looks like a bit of a drug dealer spec, if I'm honest. But then when the roof's down, the cream white seats contrast very nicely with the car. Now at the beginning of the video I mentioned that someone had hit my car, and unfortunately that is true. I was parked up on Saturday and someone decided to dent my front wing and scratch it without leaving a note. I've calmed down a bit since then, and you know, I suppose it's not that bad. It's just very annoying. Hopefully it shows up on camera. There is a dent there, right here. All of that's a dent. And the scuff mark is quite large. And also the underside of the bonnet here is scuffed. That scuff actually did run the entire length of this wing, which is still kind of visible, but I've polished it up, it's a lot better. It's also on the, just slightly there, on the bottom half of the door. And along this wing, a couple of scuffs there. What kind of hurts the most is that they also damaged one of my wheels, which I spent ages rubbing down, sanding and lacquering. Again, it's not that bad. It's just, you know, when you spend so much time doing something and someone damages it, it really hurts. So that's annoyed me, but it will be fixed. It's not that bad. But other than that, I think it's looking rather good. There we have it then guys, just a very quick walk around video of my car to show the updates and the things that I have changed, as well as to address the dent scuff issue. I'm obviously very annoyed and upset about that, however there's nothing you can do. The person didn't leave a note, but it will be repaired, no big deal. Hope you enjoyed the short video. It was mainly as well for me to test my new Zion Crane. Hope you all enjoyed the very smooth footage, but for now I'm going to go and edit this video. Be sure to subscribe and like for plenty more videos to come. Cheers.